And we're getting our first look at newly filed court documents in the Delphi murders case.
That's right. Attorneys for the man charged allege the two girls were killed as part of a pagan ritual sacrifice and that other men are actually responsible for their murders. NBC5 Investigates Bennett Haberly joining us now with exactly what was in these documents and what you've uncovered.
Yeah, Stefan and Marian, in these new court filings, Richard Allen's defense team alleges that law enforcement and the Carroll County prosecutor withheld potential evidence and abandoned pursuing other suspects just weeks after the girls' 2017 murders. A warning tonight, some of the information you're about to hear is disturbing. In newly filed court documents, defense attorneys say Richard Allen had nothing to do with this crime and that Libby German and Abby Williams were killed by members of a pagan Norse religion called Odinism, which has been hijacked by white nationalists who sacrificed the two girls in some sort of pagan ritual. The attorney's motion challenges the evidence gathered against Richard Allen, arguing that law enforcement abandoned the obvious correlation between the crime scene and Odinism, despite an obscene amount of evidence. The documents go on to describe the crime scene as ghoulish, noting there were sticks and tree branches placed on and around the girls' bodies. The court documents describe the crime scene evidence as mimicking Odinite's obvious signature symbols in the form of runes. Those are alphabetic symbols of the pagan religious cult. The attorneys also name at least 5 other people, some of whom the documents allege admitted involvement and who law enforcement interviewed but did not pursue as suspects. The reason? The attorneys say a Purdue professor reached the conclusion that Odinism wasn't involved in the case. That phrase became synonymous with this case because investigators say it captured the voice of the person responsible on one of the girls' cell phones. But in this latest court filing, Richard Allen's defense team challenges that too, arguing that a witness's description looked nothing like Richard Allen and that law enforcement concealed that information from the judge as well. Now, this afternoon, the attorney's motion obviously challenged that evidence gathered against Richard Allen and argued that law enforcement involved in this alleged that there was no correlation between the crime scene and Odinism. We reached out again to the prosecutor's office this evening for an explanation. We have not heard back. Richard Allen's trial, by the way, set for January. Stefan?
Wow, okay. Bennett Haberly, thank you very much. Sure.